Go ahead.
My name is Benson and I'm slim.
My name is Justian. I'm Carson.
My name is Joseph. I act Lenny.
I'm Gino and I'm act George.
My name is Mason. I'm Curly.
Okay, get to position.
Yeah.
Say.
The Salinas River flows quietly under an overcast sky. Lenny sat near the bushes. George stands trembling nearby, clutching a pistol.
George, talk about those rabbits. Just like what we did before.
No, Lee. Look across the river. That's like what we did before.
Okay, George.
Well, we will get that land, Lee. We will catch a rabbit just like we dreamed before.
Yes, and then I will all in to lift the fell of the land. And I'm going to tend those rabbits. And they're going to have colorful fur. So
The chef being asked about Curly's wife.
Where's that big bastard? I'll skin him alive.
Got some skin here. đánh到光lại.
然后
George,
别做写，等他起来再骂
I。 always ruin everything.
How? How can this be? How can we still be
好，我们
alive?
过去
Hey, you big bastard! You killed my wife, and then you just no shame.
He's got a gun.
Put that down back. Hey, what?
Hey, shut the damn talk. What the hell's going on?
买刀，你不要讲 you。
He made me do this. He said, if I don't do it, he'd live in the dark again.
That true, George.
I just shot that bastard and he just come alive for a second.
Wait. I don't know what are you talking about.
Hey, I knew it. That Ron's been pulling strings.
Check his coat. He got a brooch. He said. It would
Hold
pay
on a
for the
minute.
land.
Nanny never been talked like this. Something aren't right here.
Well, I will be.
That's not mine. Lin is lying. I don't know everything.
You told me how. He said. He told me to hide her in the barn. He said nobody would miss that troublesome woman.
Hey, you scamming weasel. Where is she?
No, I don't know. Lin is lying. Don't trust him.
We found her scarf near your bed, like the mark on her neck.
You told me how to lie, George. Remember? For our good.
Hey, wait, what?
Dog straight to
Goodbye,
you.
you-
Don't use wrong.
Goodbye, you SOB.
Hey.
Goodbye,
Boom.
goodbye. Boom, boom, boom.
Stop, SOB. You're going
Over.
rot in a cell, or worse. Your SOB. Taste my Vaseline.
This is my wife. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's over.